brachial plexus. This is a spinal cord. C5, C6, C7, C8, T1. Ventral root, dorsal root. Unite to form a spinal nerve. Then divide into ventral rami and the dorsal rami. Ventral rami of C5, C6, C7, C8, T1, they unite to form a plexus, which is given responsibility to supply arm. That arm, that is upper limb, whole of the upper limb, that is called the brachial plexus. So in green color, these are the ventral rami. From here the story starts. That's why these are known as root of the brachial plexus. It is nothing to do with the root of the spinal nerve. Nothing to do with. As the story starts from here, that's why it is considered as root. Real teacher drink cold beer. Root, trunk, drink, that is the division, cord and the branches. So in green color, these are the root. C5, C6, C7, C8, T1. Now C5 and C6 unite to form upper trunk. C8 alone form the middle trunk. C8, T1 unite to form the lower trunk. These are the trunk. Now comes division. In orange color, this is anterior division. In blue color, this is the posterior division. So each cord gives anterior division, posterior division, anterior, posterior, and here is the first posterior, then anterior. Okay? In the lower trunk. Now, anterior division of the upper and the middle trunk, they unite to form the lateral cord. Most laterally, so lateral cord. Actually, the lateral, medial and the posterior, it is based on the relation with the second part of the axillary artery. It is lateral to the second part of axillary artery, so lateral cord. Medial, so medial cord. And the posterior to the axillary artery, so posterior cord. So, where we are? The anterior division of the upper and the middle trunk unite to form lateral cord. Then posterior division of all these trunk, that is the upper, middle and the lower, in dark blue color, this is posterior cord. And the anterior division of lower trunk alone forms the medial cord. Now branches. From lateral cord is in red color. LML. Lateral root of median nerve, lateral pectoral nerve, and the musculocutaneous nerve. This you can see here in red color. This is the M structure. You will get in the section of axilla. You will get this very beautiful structure, that M-shaped structure. Most laterally, this is the musculocutaneous. In the middle, this is the median nerve, and here is the ulnar nerve, MMU. So, the branches of the lateral cord is LMN, that is the lateral pectoral nerve, lateral root of median nerve, and the musculocutaneous nerve. Branches of the posterior cord, this one is the ulnar. Upper subscapular, lower subscapular, nerve to latissimus dorsi, axillary nerve, and the radial nerve. Always ask in the exam, the continuation of posterior cord is what? You have to say it is the radial nerve. क्योंकि उसी में सारा ही चला जाता है, सारा रूट वैल्यू चला जाता है. तो that is supposed to be the continuation of posterior cord. Okay, now coming to the medial cord, the mnemonic is 4MU. That is the medial cutaneous nerve of arm, medial cutaneous nerve of forearm, medial pectoral nerve, medial root of median nerve, and the ulnar nerve. Okay. Now this musculocutaneous nerve, coming to the lateral cord again. Musculocutaneous nerve supply muscles as well as the skin. So musculocutaneous muscle is BBC, the flexor muscles of the arm, that is the biceps brachialis and coracobrachialis. Cutaneous, that is the lateral aspect of the forearm up to the ball of thumb. Now coming to lateral root and medial root unite to form the median nerve. Median nerve is the main nerve of the forearm. All the muscles of the forearm of the flexor aspect is supplied by the median nerve except 1.5 muscle. That is this is our lateral root, na? So median nerve supplies all except the flexor carpi ulnaris and the medial half of the flexor deuterum profundus. All the muscles of the forearm flexor group is supplied by the median nerve except 1.5 muscle, that is the flexor carpi ulnaris and medial half of the flexor deuterum profundus. And in hand, the muscles are supplied FOAL, F-O-A-L, flexor pollicis brevis. O for opponens pollicis, thumb का है सब. Pollicis क्या होता है? That is thumb. So flexor pollicis brevis. O for opponens pollicis, A for abductor pollicis, and L for first and second lumbrical. Only these muscles in the hand, okay, is supplied by median nerve. And regarding cutaneous supply in the hand, only in the hand, the median nerve, it is going to supply the lateral half of the palm. This is the anatomical position. So lateral half of the, I am talking about the palm, lateral half of the palm and the lateral 3.5 digit, 3.5 digit on the palmar aspect as well as the nail bed on the dorsal aspect. Clear? Median nerve, all the flexor muscles of the forearm except 1.5 muscle, that is the flexor carpi ulnaris and the medial half of the flexor deuterum profundus, and all the muscles of the only the FOAL muscle, FOAL, F-O-A-L, that is the flexor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis, abductor pollicis, and first and second lumbrical. FOAL muscles. And the regarding cutaneous supply of the hand, the median nerve, lateral half of the palm and the lateral 3.5 of the finger on the palmar aspect and the nail bed. इधर सिर्फ आगे ऐसे करके nail bed को सप्लाई किया है, nail bed of 3.5 lateral side. तो median nerve का बात कर लिया हम लोग. Now coming to posterior cord, ulnar, mnemonic is ulnar, upper subscapular. The name itself says I am supplying the upper part of subscapularis muscle. Lower part of the subscapularis muscle. Ulnar, and for nerve to latiss muscle, also known as thoracodorsal nerve. Okay. A for axillary nerve. Very important. What is the supply of axillary nerve? Deltoid. And the teres minor muscle. And the cutaneous supply, the skin over the deltoid muscle. Now radial nerve. Radial nerve, all the extensor muscles, whether it is of arm or forearm, it is supplied by the radial nerve. And its cutaneous supply in the hand is on the dorsal aspect. And this is the extensor, so here is the also dorsal aspect. So dorsal 3.5 finger and or dorsal half of the dorsal aspect of the hand here and 3.5 lateral, excluding nail bed. Nail bed तो यहाँ से median nerve supply कर रहा था, तो radial nerve, lateral 3.5 on the dorsal aspect, extensor muscles. Radial nerve, ulnar हो गया. अब आ जाते हैं 4mu. medial cutaneous nerve of arm. It itself says that I am going to supply skin of arm, medial side. So medial cutaneous nerve of arm. Medial cutaneous nerve of forearm going to supply skin of forearm, medial side. Now medial pectoral nerve. It supplies pectoralis major as well as the pectoralis minor muscle. मीडियल नर्व हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके एंड बचा अल्नर नर्व इन द फोरआर्म फ्लेक्सर ग्रुप only 1.5 muscle, that is the flexor carpi ulnaris and the medial half of the flexor ditorum profundus, which is not supplied by median nerve, है ना, तो वो अल्नर नर्व सप्लाई कर दे रहा है and all the muscles of the hand is supplied by अल्नर नर्व. Now these are the branches coming out from the cord. Now branches is also coming out from the trunk, upper trunk here. Ops point. This is known as ops point, where the two root, two division, and these two branches are coming out, known as ops point. And if there is an injury over there, it will result into the apparesis of palsy, in which porter's tip deformity होता है या वेटर्स टिप भी होता है, पोर्टर्स पुलिसमैन टिप भी, ठीक है ना. सो suprascapular nerve and the nerve to subclavius. These are two branches from the upper trunk. Suprascapular nerve. It is going to supply on the dorsal aspect of the scapula, supraspinatus and the infraspinatus. ठीक है. One thing I have forgotten to mention, lower subscapular. I have said upper subscapular, lower subscapular in the branch of the posterior cord ulnar. Upper subscapular, lower subscapular. Lower subscapular also supply teres major muscle. Very important. Often asked in the exam, which muscles are supplied by axillary nerve? So deltoid and teres minor. Then who is going to supply teres major muscle? So it is lower subscapular nerve. Okay, very important. Now coming back to branches from the trunk, suprascapular going to supraspinatus and the infraspinatus muscle. Nerve to subclavius going to supply subclavius. Branches from the root, that is C5, C7. This is the long thoracic nerve going to the serratus anterior. Now also they are respective from the respective root. We are going to the scalene and the longus colli muscle. These are the paravertebral muscles. Along by the side of the vertebra, you can see this is the vertebra, and here one is spinal cord, which lies in the vertebral canal, है ना? So paravertebral muscles को supply कर रहा है scalene and the going to the scalene and the longus colli. Also coming from the root. Clear हो गया ना? Yes. तो ऐसे है, इस तरह से पीछे में है, तो यहाँ पे सब जा रहा है इसके अंदर. एंसिला में घुस गया सब. तो ब्रैकियल पेस का पूछा जाता है कि कौन सा पार्ट है, तो एवो क्लैविकल, जस्ट बिहाइंड द क्लैविकल एंड बिलो क्लैविकल. तो रियर ट्रीचर, the root, a trunk, they are supraclavicular. Drink cold, that is the division and the cord, just behind the clavicle. And the branches below clavicle. Brachial plexus, the story starts in the posterior triangle of neck, है ना, वहाँ से start. क्योंकि वो स्पेसिफाइड रीजन है, वहाँ पूछा जाएगा कहाँ पे है ये, कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे अगर मुझको अप्रोच करना, तो पोस्टीरियर ट्रायंगल.